Hey, we solve and upload weekly videos of exam preparation questions and the explanation to the answers. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing to the channel.
Which option most accurately characterizes a Bluetooth network? Personal Area Network, PAN. Wide Area Network, DWAN. Local Area Network, LAN. Metropolitan Area Network, MAN. A personal area network, abbreviated as PAN, is intended for use within a limited space and is typically linked to an individual. PANs encompass devices like Bluetooth headsets, speakers, and car connections. Sam, an accounting department user, is transitioning from Android to iOS. She wants to transfer her emails, contact lists, and calendar events to her new phone. What is the most effective method for achieving this objective? Utilize a migration tool compatible with Windows. Export the Android phone data as a CSV file. Link the new phone to the corporate Microsoft 365 service. Employ a USB to Lightning cable for the transfer. Microsoft 365 platform. Within a unified database, Microsoft 365 efficiently oversees email, calendar events, and contact details. Leveraging this centralized repository, Microsoft 365 facilitates the seamless synchronization of this information across both iOS and Android devices. The user's smartphone displays a black screen and remains unresponsive to both screen taps and button presses. Upon inspecting the SIM card, a red label is observed, but there is no visible physical damage. What is the most probable cause for these problems? Excessive heat, malfunctioning digitizer, damage from liquid exposure, invalid SIM card. The majority of smartphones and tablets come equipped with a liquid contact indicator, LCI. Typically appearing in a white color, this indicator is easily visible without the need for disassembly. Should the LCI change to a pink or red hue, it indicates that the device has come into proximity with liquid. A server administrator is tasked with configuring storage for a new database server, aiming for optimal performance and redundancy in the event of a single drive failure. The desired storage array capacity is a minimum of 8 TB. Which of the following choices represents the most optimal selection? Opt for RAID 10, utilizing 5,400 RPM, 8 TB drives. Select RAID 5 with 10,000 RPM, 5 TB drives. Choose RAID 1, employing 7,200 RPM, 8 TB drives. Decide on RAID 0 with 15,000 RPM, 5 TB drives. The inquiry centers around 3 criteria: speed, storage capacity, and backup. This choice offers the maximum RPMs, revolutions per minute, redundancy through RAID 5, redundant array of independent disks, and a collective drive capacity exceeding 8 terabytes. How can a Windows 10 laptop user utilize a smartphone's internet connection to access email? Which technology must be activated on the laptop for this purpose? LTE 802.11 NFC-IR. Utilizing 802.111 wireless connections enables the laptop to establish a link with a smartphone set up as an internet hotspot. Communication between the laptop and the smartphone occurs through the 802.111 protocol, facilitating the smartphone's access to online resources. How can a system administrator most efficiently upgrade a laptop from a hard drive to an SSD? Generate an image of the hard drive and then restore it onto the SSD. Install a fresh Windows license and application files directly onto the SSD. Safeguard all user documents through a backup and transfer them to another computer. Compress the home directory and upload it to cloud storage. Generate an image of the hard drive and then transfer it to the SSD. This system image encompasses all data on the storage drive, ensuring that the rejuvenated system retains identical attributes, including the operating system, configuration settings, user documents, and installed applications, mirroring the original setup. A recently hired staff member has received a corporate mobile device, but functionality such as the camera and the ability to install third-party applications has been restricted. What is the most probable cause for these restrictions? Insufficient storage space on the smartphone. The need for an upgrade to the smartphone's operating system. Features disabled by Mobile Device Management, MDM, Defective hardware in the smartphone. A mobile device manager, MDM, has the capability to efficiently activate or deactivate various functions on a smartphone, such as the camera and the application installation procedure. A system administrator is using a maintenance kit on a network-connected laser printer. Which of the following should be the last step when performing this maintenance? Inspect the feed rollers, allow the fuser unit to cool down, and then replace it. Reset the page counter, substitute the power cord. The page counter is a helpful metric to determine how much the printer is used, which in turn determines when the next maintenance should be scheduled. After performing the current maintenance cycle and verifying the printer's operation, the page counter should be reset so the next maintenance timeframe can be properly estimated. How can an application developer efficiently test an application across the company's various operating systems while minimizing additional hardware expenses? Obtain a system slightly exceeding the hardware needs of the top-tier operating system and establish separate virtual machines, VMs, for each OS. Procure individual test computers that meet the hardware requirements for each operating system and install different OS on each test computer. Utilize existing user workstations as testing systems, reserving non-working hours for running all application tests. Rent new systems. Acquire a system tailored slightly above the specified hardware prerequisites for the most advanced operating system. Establish distinct virtual machines for each individual operating system. Which wireless protocol is capable of functioning within the 5 GHz frequency range and delivers an estimated throughput of around 10 gigabits per second? 802.011 AC, 802.111 Gs, 802.111 AX, 802.1 blank Lennon. The 802.11x standard, or Wi-Fi 6, can operate in either the 2.4 GHz or the 5 GHz band, and the maximum theoretical throughput is nearly 10 gigabits per second.